This is a joint that I've been sitting on since about October. I came up with it looking for an in-between of a dovetail and a dowel joint, something that's quicker than dovetails, stronger than dowels, and still looks traditional. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. I haven't seen it before. It's quite nice. So it's not a dovetail. It's not a mortise and tenon. So it slides in this way, and it's got a mortise in here. This prevents it from coming out this way and sliding back out. So not too sure what to call it yet.